And guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more free painting tutorial in the near future and also updates on my channel. And guys, these are the list of colors that I used to this painting demonstration. You can also find this list of colors below to the description of this video. For this tutorial, I'm going to use this 10 inches by 12 inches plain white canvas. These are the colors that I'm going to use for this tutorial. The first thing to do is I'm going to paint the background on this tutorial. I'm going to create a bird, called Peacock. Then we're going to start now. I'm going to do first the background color. So first thing is I'm going to create the orange color here. Directly paint the orange color or the cadmium orange to this area. I'm using my 1-inch flat brush. That there. The orange color. I'm going to first paint the orange color here. Just directly paint the cadmium orange. There. Then the next thing to do is I'm going to paint also the yellow color, the cadmium yellow. Just blend this cadmium yellow to the cadmium orange. Just there. We have very nice color blending. There. Then the next thing to do is I'm going to paint also the light green color. Just paint directly the light green color. Here, I'm going to blend this light green color also to the yellow color. This is only a background color, guys, for my peacock. Then just blend this a little bit to the cadmium yellow. Just observe my brushstrokes, guys, so that you can get what I have here, or you can follow what I did here on my canvas, what I did to my background for my peacock bird. There. Then the next thing to do is I'm going to paint also the ochre green. Just paint this ochre green here. Just do what I have here, or just observe my brushstrokes. There. I'm going to add a little bit dark portion just there, and just blend also this color. I'm going to blend this color a little bit, just a little bit, blending this color. Now, there. Just continue adding with this ochre green, going down a little bit. I'm going to do first the background color so that I can easily paint later the front subject for my painting to this canvas. I'm going to create a peacock bird. Mostly the peacock you see a blue color, or the blue feather. The color of their feather is blue. I'm going to create a beautiful peacock later after I'm going done with this background color. There. Then the next thing to do is the Mars black color. Just selecting the area for this Mars black color. Mars black color. There. Just there. Just selecting the area for this Mars black color to create a very nice and colorful or the shading like effect to this background. Then after that, I'm going to blend this a little bit, the edges of this Mars black color. I'm going to blend this every edges to this Mars black color to create a very nice color effect to this painting. Just there. Now we have very nice color or the basic background for this painting here. Just continue blending with the edges of this Mars black color and just blend a little bit. There. Just continue blending this color. Then after that, the light green color, I'm going to add also the light green color. Just selecting the area for this light green color. Just add a little bit here. And also this one here. Just add a small amount of light green color. And a very down portion or the below portion, this dark color, I'm going to add also the light green color. And most important thing is just blend this color to the other color, the dark color. That one there. Just blend this a little bit. That one there. The basic background color there. Then the yellow color, I'm going to add also a yellow color or the cadmium yellow to this area, the left side of my canvas, and also just blend this a little bit. There. Then the orange color, I'm going to add also the orange color at the upper portion of this left side of my canvas. I'm going to add the orange color to create a very nice color or the background color here. There. Then after that, I'm going to add also the purple color at the very lower portion of this canvas. The purple color to create more design effect to this background color, purple color. Then I'm going to blend this a little bit, going to the upper portion, just blend. There. Now we have very nice blending of colors here. Just add more purple color and just blend this color. Just there. Then the lower portion, I'm going to add also Scarlet Red. Here, just I'm going to mix this Scarlet Red to the purple color. Just blend a little bit the edges of this Scarlet Red. Just blend also to the purple color to create this kind of color. There. Let's add more Scarlet Red. Just selecting the area there. And also just blend every edges of this Scarlet Red. There. We have a very nice color background here. After that, I'm going to sketch first, or I'm going to mix the color of this Cobalt Blue. I'm going to mix this Cobalt Blue. It should be more titanium white to create this lighter sky blue. Just there. I'm going to create first the sketch to this area here. I'm going to create the sketch here. I'm going to create a sketch to this area. That there. And this one is the back portion of this peacock. I'm going to create a peacock a little bit more near, or a zoom in like, or a portrait of peacock. There. This is only a sketch using this lighter sky blue. There. And now I'm going to get my number 4 a round brush to create the feathers, or a sketch for the feathers. But I'm going to mix the titanium white and the cobalt blue to create the lighter sky blue. Going to create a feather here. Just observe my brush strokes, guys. I'm using my number 4 a round brush for this. There. I'm going to add a little bit a detail for this feather. Just using this number 4 round brush, I'm going to add a detail here. going to mix the color moss black and the titanium white to create the gray color, and add a cobalt blue to create this grayish blue. Just paint here at this oval like shape. Guys, I'm going to use this a fan brush. So next thing to do is I'm going to add detail for this feather. I'm going to mix the color of this cobalt blue in the purple color to create this kind of color, the blue violet. I'm going to use my fan brush. Then I'm going to add this one here for the another color of this hairline of this feather, just there. That one there. The next thing to do is I'm going to create the body of this peacock, or the head and also the neck. Going to use this titanium white. Going to create a neck here, or a body, peacock bird. Just continue adding with the sketch using this titanium white for my peacock bird here. There's only a sketch for this body or the neck of this peacock. Just continue adding this titanium white here, the head of this peacock. This is only a base color. Yes, kits to this peacock. Going to create the beak for this peacock here. That one there. Then just paint here all over this body a titanium white. This is only the base color. I paint the base color light color so that when I'm going to apply the blue color for the color of this body, it will give more bright color. That's why I'm going to paint the light color using this titanium white. There. Also, I'm going to extend this one here a little bit for this tail of this peacock. I'm going to extend this a little bit or make this a little bit bigger so that it will make a balance or to create a balance to this tail and the body. That one there. Just continue or just paint more titanium white and also just blend the color. That one there. Now we have very good looking now. For my first layer of this peacock bird, I'm going to create more feather there. I'm going to try this one, the blue color for the feather effects there, using this cobalt blue. Now we have very nice colored my peacock tail. I'm going to mix the color of this cobalt blue and also the titanium white. It should be more cobalt blue to the titanium white. Then I'm going to add the yellow green color just there. I'm going to mix these three colors to create this kind of color here. I'm going to add this one here. Just observe my brush strokes, guys. I add this color next to the blue color. Just observe what I did to what did I do to my feather or the design of my tail of this peacock bird. One there. Then I'm going to add also the titanium white to this color to create more lighter color. I'm going to add this one here for more lighter color effect to this tail. Then after that, I'm going to mix this color, the cobalt blue and Mars black, to create the dark blue color. Just add Mars black color to the cobalt blue to create the dark color or the dark blue color, and add the purple color also to create this kind of color. Just there. I'm going to add this one here, a dots. Or just add Mars black color to create more dark color. The dark blue color with the purple color. That one there. Going to create the dots here, lots of dots. Just observe the position of these dots. Where did I put these dots? Now I'm going to continue adding these dots here. Just finish this one here. Adding dots to this feather design of this peacock. Going to add more dots to every tail, to every feather to this tail. There. Now let's continue here. I'm going to mix the color of this cobalt blue and titanium white to create the sky blue color, guys. Just add more titanium white and add the yellow green color. I'm going to add yellow green color to this sky blue color. Just there. Just add more titanium white to create more lighter color. And I'm going to paint here to give more lighter color here. Just observe my brush strokes and also the color that I apply. Then the next thing to do is I'm going to paint this color to this color that I mixed earlier, the cobalt blue, the titanium white, and add yellow green color. Just paint here. Going to paint this one here. Everything here. Going to paint this color here. That one there. For my another color of this tail of this peacock. Then I'm going to add this one, yeah, sky blue color. I'm going to blend this color also. Just do like this here. Going to paint this one here. For my feather effect there. Then after that, I'm going to mix the color of this sky blue color. Going to mix the sky blue color, the titanium white, and the blue color. It should be more titanium white. I'm going to paint this one also here at this area. There. Just add a little bit titanium white. That one there. Now we have very nice. I'm going to add more titanium white to the sky blue color. Then just paint here. And this one. The lighter sky blue here. The edge of this tail. I'm going to add this one also, the feeder or the smooth feeder to this tail. That one there. You have very nice color on that area there. Then after that, I'm going to mix this color, the yellow green and the cobalt blue. It should be a small amount of cobalt blue to the yellow green, small amount there, and add titanium white. Just add titanium white there. Should be more titanium white to create this kind of color. I'm going to use my pointed brush. I'm going to paint this one here for my detail of this feeder or the tail. Maybe I'm going to paint directly the titanium white to this area. Little bit highlight effect. The feeder. This area only, because this area I'm a little bit darker. I'm going to little bit here dark color or dark, or maybe I'm going to mix the cobalt blue and the titanium white to create the sky blue color, because this area is affected by the lights. That's why I'm going to lighten this area here. Should be more light color here. I'm making a curve like here, like or curve, more curve here for my feeder, a smaller feeder to this tail of this peacock bird. That one there. To add more curve line or curve. Then after that, I'm going to mix the color of the cobalt blue and the titanium white. It should be more titanium white to create this kind of blue or sky blue color. Should be more titanium white there. That one there, I have my sky blue color. And I'm going to get my pointed brush again, the number 0 brush. Then I'm going to use this one, this color to this area. Little bit, not too much light here. Using this sky blue color. Just continue there. Just continue adding the sky blue color for this feeder or the detail of this tail of this feeder or this peacock. I'm going to mix again the titanium white and the cobalt blue. It should be more titanium white to create the lighter sky blue. And just paint here. I'm going to paint more sky blue color here. nice color of this tail, a nice tail, this peacock. Then after that, I'm going to add also the detailed or the cobalt blue. Going to add also the cobalt blue here. Going to give more detail here for the shading effect of this tail using this cobalt blue. I'm going to give more dark color here, the dark color of this area, because this area is not too much affected by the lights. That's why I'm going to darken this a little bit. Smaller. Just observe my brush strokes, guys. I'm still using my number 0 flat round brush, and the color I use is the cobalt blue. I'm going to create a curve lines here, a little bit nearer to each other. Then this one is a little bit farther to each other, so that it will minimize more dark color, like what I have here, or like what I did here. That one there. Now we have very nice tail. I always add here. This one is a bit nearer to each other, so that it will create a dark color area, or the dark portion of this area. A little bit farther. That one there. This one also. Very nice color of that tail. The next thing to do is I'm going to paint also the cobalt blue. Directly paint the cobalt blue here. Going to paint directly here the cobalt blue for the color of this peacock, or the base color of this body of this peacock here. That one there. Then I'm going to mix the color of this cobalt blue and the Mars black color. I'm going to mix this one to create a little bit dark blue color. Going to paint this one here a little bit dark to give more shading effect to this area, because this area is not affected by the lights. That's why I'm going to darken this a little bit. That one there. Then the sky blue color, titanium white, and the blue color, I'm going to add also here for my feeders. Just observe my brush tip position. That one there. Just add more titanium white also. There, we have very nice. Then the sky blue color, I'm going to add also, or mix this blue and the white, create the sky blue color. I'm going to add also this one here. nice tail of this peacock bird. A beautiful tail. That one there. Later I'm going to add also the detail of this body and also the back, the head of this peacock. I'm going to mix the color of this cobalt blue and the titanium white again. It should be more titanium white to create more lighter color. That one there. I'm going to use this number 4 round brush. I'm going to add also this one here, a little bit detail for this tail or the tail line. Just observe here what I did to my peacock tail. I'm going to give more detail to this feather. Now let's continue here. Maybe I'm going to add more yellow green color at this corner. Then after that, I'm going to mix the color is cobalt blue and the titanium white. But it should be more cobalt blue than the titanium white. It's like a sky blue color. Then I'm going to add also here. I'm going to blend this edge of this yellow green color. to create even nicer feather here for this peacock bird. There. Just continue adding with this little bit dark sky blue. Then I'm just blend this dark sky blue to the, or just paint this dark sky blue surround to this dark dots, or the dots, this peacock. There. It's very nice feather now. Then I'm going to blend this color to the yellow green color so that it will create a very nice and good looking feather now. Feather to this peacock bird, or the tail of this peacock bird. Just continue there. I'm going to mix again the cobalt blue and also the titanium white. Just add small amount of titanium white. Just there. Just add small amount of titanium white there. Then just continue here adding this color. There. I'm going to blend this color also. Just blend this color to the yellow-green color so that it will create a very nice feather effects there. Later I'm going to add more dark color to that, to the dots. Just continue there, this one here at the left side of my canvas. I'm going to add phthalo blue. Phthalo blue is the nicer here. I'm going to add the phthalo blue. I'm gonna add the circle or the dots here. nice tail of this peacock. As you see, the dots is smaller to this area. Then in this the bigger feeder, it will make a bigger dots. I'm going to create a bigger dots to the farther feeder to this tail. That one there. Very nice. Even more nicer feeder or feeder to this tail of this peacock. That one there. Just continue adding this phthalo blue. Then after that, I'm going to mix the color of this titanium white and the light green color. It should be more titanium white than the light green color to create this more light green color. There. I'm going to add more this one at this area. Going to trace these dots to create more lighter color to this area here. Just trace this. Just observe what where did I paint this color, or what part of this feeder that I paint. That one there. Now we have very nice, even more nicer to this tail, this peacock. have a very nice color of this painting now. Then after that, I'm going to add also a yellow green color here. To add phthalo blue first before I'm going to add the light green color or the yellow green color there for more effect to this feeder, even more nicer effect to this feeder here. The light green color, I'm going to add the light green color or the yellow green color there. Just there. I'm going to blend this a little bit. Just blend this a little bit. This yellow green color to the blue or the phthalo blue. There. Just continue adding the phthalo blue. There. Then the yellow green color. Just blend a little bit. I'm going to make this one to this I will do it this again to this all of this feeder here. So I'm going to do to this feeder here. I'm going to do this everything here. So I'm going back if I'm going to finish this one because this is lots of time to create this one and lots of minutes to create this to my video. So I'm going to finish this one. Then when I'm go back, I'm going to add more detail to this neck or also the tail here. So I'm going to finish this one first. So see ya, I'm going to finish this one here. Now I'm done with the adding with the here more detailed for this feeder. I add the blue and also the yellow green color. The next thing to do is I'm going to add more detail for this feeder. So I'm going to mix this. I'm going to mix this one, the phthalo blue and the titanium white. To create this sky blue color there, that one there. Then after that, I'm going to add this one here. Adding more sky blue color, just small amount of sky blue color to this here to create more nicer effect to this feather. That one there. Now it's very beautiful feather now. We give more detail to this feather here because this feather is, it will give more attraction to this peacock bird, the nicer effect to this peacock bird the feather. That one there. And after that, I'm going to use my pointed brush. I'm going to give more detail to this feather. Going to add this one here like this. That one there. I'm going to add everything here, the sky blue color. Just do like this one here. I just observe my brush strokes. I'm going to give more nicer effect to this feather. I will do this here, everything to this here. So I'm going to finish. I'm going to add this kind of strokes here, every single lines here to this feather, so that it will give more detail. So I will be back if I'm finished here, because if I'm going to continue this one, make more time to my video. So I will do the same like what I have did to this area here. I will do the same here at the left side of my canvas to the every lines. I will trace this one there. Now let's continue here. I'm going to add also detailed here, a phthalo blue. Going to add a shading effect to this area for this feather, a smaller feather here. I'm going to add dark color for my feather effect to this tail or the dark portion. You have very nice, even nicer feather dust, the feather effects to that area. Then I'm going to add water to my brush here. Going to add water. Then I'm going to blend this one a little bit. A wash effect. I'm going to use wash effect here to create even more nicer tail of this peacock bird. There. And also this one, I'm going to add also this one here, a little small amount, just wash effect. I'm going to use this wash effect here. Now nice using this wash effect there. Little bit, yeah, sky blue color. Mixed earlier the phthalo blue and also the titanium white. Oh, I'm going to add more titanium white to the sky blue color. That one there. I'm going to add this one here. Oops. Maybe titanium white. Titanium white. Oh, it's better. It's very nice now. That one there. Then the next thing to do is I'm going to add also the phthalo blue here. I'm going to add phthalo blue to this body of this bird. Gonna blend also. Going to blend also this phthalo blue to create a very nice color of this body. Just continue adding this phthalo blue. Just there. Phthalo blue. For the feeder, this body of this peacock bird, there we have very nice color of this peacock. Just continue adding this phthalo blue. Going to the upper portion. Now we have very nice peacock here. Very nice color effect of this peacock. The peacock bird. There, just add more phthalo blue. There. Then the next thing to do is I'm going to mix the color of this Mars black and also the phthalo blue. I'm going to mix this one, this color, phthalo blue and the Mars black color. I'm going to add this one here for the black portion. This head here for this peacock bird. Then after that, I'm going to add also the yellow green color here for effect to this feather on this neck. I'm going to add the effect, the green color of this neck here, a little small amount of green color for the design of this neck, or the feeder to this neck here. And after that, the cobalt blue, I'm going to add also the cobalt blue to minimize more green color here. Just minimize the color there, that one there. Then after that, the cobalt blue, I'm going to add also the the phthalo blue. Just add here. I use my number 4 round brush for this here. There. Then after that, the going to add also the phthalo blue there. And the black color here, I'm going to add also the black color, the dark color there. Just trace this one, the dark color, using this dark blue color here. That one there. The dark blue color, I'm going to add also dark blue color for the eyes of this peacock. That one there. Then after that, the titanium white, going to add also the titanium, or I'm going to mix the color of this titanium white, or just going to paint directly the titanium white here for the feather, or the feather to this face of this peacock bird. Titanium white there. Now we have very nice color of this peacock bird. Just continue adding this titanium white here. We have very nice color. Then the sky blue color I mixed earlier, the phthalo blue and the titanium white. I'm going to add also this one here, the sky blue color. That one there. For the eyes, I'm going to use this Mars black color here. I'm going to add a circle here. And a little bit titanium white here. We have very nice color this bird. There, titanium white. Let's add titanium white here. That one there. And after that, the beak of this peacock bird, I'm going to create also the beak of this peacock bird. Going to create a dark blue color here at the lower portion. That one there. Then I'm going to mix this one, the cadmium orange, and also the blue color, the cobalt blue. Cadmium orange and the cobalt blue, and add titanium white. That one there. Going to add this one here for the bell or the beak of this peacock bird. That one there. Now we have very nice, even more nicer to that bird. Then the dark blue color for the airways to this peacock here. What you call the nose, or no, the airways. And this one I'm going to add to minimize more dark color here. That one there. Oops, just add more here a little bit. That one there. Now we have very nice. Then a small titanium white here. Small titanium white for the highlight of this beak, this peacock bird. There we have very nice colorful peacock here. So I'm going to add also the, I'm going to mix the phthalo blue and also the titanium white. I'm going to add this one here for the effect of this peacock. I don't know what I'm going to call this one, the hairline like. Then I'm going to add more titanium white to the sky blue color. Just add more using this number 4 round brush. I'm gonna add this one here. That one there. Then for more detail, I'm going to add also the titanium white using this pointed brush, the number 0 brush. That one there. Then the dark blue color, I'm going to mix the cobalt blue and also the Mars black color. Going to mix these two colors to create the dark blue color there. Going to add also this one here. Then I'm going to mix again, or add sky blue color. It should be more lighter sky blue. I mixed earlier the phthalo blue and the titanium white. Going to add also this one here for the highlight of this feather. There, now we have very nice peacock bird here. That one there. And now guys, we're done with this painting demonstration. We have a very nice view here and a colorful painting. I hope this demonstration is helpful for you. And guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more free painting tutorial in the near future and also updates on my channel. You can also leave comments and hit like button below this video. And guys, thanks for watching. See you for my next painting demonstration. Peace.